HyperDevBox. What is that?
HyperDevBox is a development company based in Tokyo, Japan. And we develop games exclusively for Android.
Exclusively?
Yeah.
And using 3D?
Yeah, using 3D. And this title is the first
Practical what, sorry?
It's the first tactical RPG title for Android.
Cool. And could you a developer?
Yes.
So what part of the game do you work on?
All parts.
Yeah?
100% of the game.
Yeah?
So this game is made using NDK, which means Native Development Kit.
Okay.
So this is not a Java game, it's a pure native game.
Pure native game?
Yes.
What is that?
It means that there is no Java code at all in the game.
Not even a little bit?
No.
And so how does it work?
How does it work to use
to make it?
Okay, so basically you develop your game using C or C++. Then you have a compiler, so you compile your source code. Then you link your source code, and then you have a binary. And that binary files you can run on every Android device.
And that is improved with Gingerbread, or is it the same from before?
It will maybe not be improved using Gingerbread, but because you can run the native code from OS 1.6 actually.
Oh, yeah?
You cannot go faster than native because native is native.
Yeah.
So it will run the same. It's not depending on the OS.
So do you try to limit your game graphics and all that in terms of trying to support most hardware?
Oh yeah, we do support two types of GPU so far right now.
Yeah.
But very soon we have to support more and more because there is much more GPU competitor coming in the market.
Which two?
Qualcomm.
Yeah.
And
Samsung.
Samsung is a hardware maker, but they don't make a graphic chip.
The Hummingbird.
Yeah, but this is using a PowerVR technology.
From who?
From
from Imagination.
Yeah, from Imagination. So we support those both so far. But now we're working for supporting the NVIDIA Tegra.
Yeah.
And there is much more coming also. We cannot tell about it.
Cool. So how long does it take to make a game like this? You basically reuse code you had for other platforms?
Yeah, exactly. So that's why using the NDK you can make it a lot faster. So this game is coming from a PSP game.
Yeah.
So to port the game from the PSP to Android, we worked like 5 months.
Right.
Yeah.
So what do? You take each part of the...
Yeah, you have to take each part of the code and you have to rewrite everything that is not portable.
So
and you can keep the portable parts.
The portable parts are
AI.
How do you find that?
This is something which has nothing to do with the hardware. So it could be the AI, it could be some logic in the game. Everything which is not related to the platform actually.
So you said it came before it was on a PSP.
Yeah.
And that is running native?
Yeah, it was running on a native code.
And it's always been like that, all consoles?
Yes.
They always run native?
Yes.
And you put graphic elements in there somehow?
Yeah, well, so you need to convert from the graphic library used on the PSP, you need to convert to the OpenGL, because OpenGL is the norm, the graphic API used on the Android.
So, do you imagine this game is, how long time has it been available?
We released this game from January 15, so just like 3 weeks or 3-4 weeks in the market.
And where are people downloading them most?
From, you mean the country or from the market?
Yeah.
But the game is, at that time the game is only available from the Google Android market.
Yeah.
So we have an English version and a Japanese version for the Japanese market. And we are actually working on the Korean version for Korean market.
So, you click around?
Yeah. So you can make some skills like this. Then you select which color you want to apply. not sure if people will understand exactly, but that's like
A special kind of game.
yeah. That's for the hardcore gamer.
Which version is mostly downloaded so far? English or the Japanese version?
The English version so far.
Yeah.
Because the Japanese version got released just on February 1st, so just 2 weeks.
2 weeks. So do you think Android is going to be huge for games?
Oh yeah, sure, definitely. Just have a look around. It's amazing to see technology. It's like it's going to be home gaming, home console gaming very soon.
What do you think about these dual-core processors, next generation graphics?
Dual core, yeah, but I think dual core will be just a middle step. They're already working on the quad core.
Yeah.
So,
It's going to be like a PlayStation 3 in the graphics part, right?
yeah. We already have the PlayStation 3 resolution screen on the tablets. We don't really have the GPU to support that, but soon we have the ones.
So it's a fun industry to work in?
Oh yeah, it's very fun.
Right.
Enjoying very much.